Good day. My name's Quentin Botha. I'm 34 years old from Johannesburg, South Africa, and I've completed 3 seasons in the United States. I've worked in Arkansas, Louisiana, North Carolina, and Minnesota. I've worked on crop farms with crops such as corn, soybeans, a little bit of wheat, cotton, and then alfalfa and silage corn for cattle feed. I can operate a 408R John Deere Highboy or self-propelled crop sprayer. I've got some experience with that, spraying beans and peanuts and a little bit of corn. Mechanical wise, I can do basic maintenance on pickups, trucks, tractors, and semi trucks, which is services, changing tires, brakes, and so forth. I can drive trucks such as all the Kenworth models and 379, 389 Peterbilts with 10 speed, Super 10, 13, 15, and 18 speed manual transmissions. And I can also operate a grain cart. I've operated a 850 bushel Demco with a 8320 John Deere. I really enjoy working in the USA and I'm always willing to learn new skills. And I hope I can see you back again in the USA very soon. Thank you very much.